Hi guys, in this session I will explain how to call the stored procedure with out parameters. Okay, suppose you see guys, this is the zone stored procedure. Okay, this stored procedure, it will return the one variable total users. You see, this is out parameter. So we have three types of parameters, right? We have discussed in the previous session. So in parameter, out parameter, and in out parameter. So the previously I have explained the in parameter. Okay, and in this session I will explain the out parameter. Suppose if you call the stored procedure, it will return the data out parameter, the total user, it will return. Okay, how to write a Java code using Spring Boot. Okay, I will explain in this session. Guys, you see, this is the stored procedure I have already executed in my local database. I will show you. So I already executed. Suppose if you call this stored procedure, right? Okay, now the stored procedure, it will store the out variable in this output into this variable, and if you execute this select, right, it will give this one. What is here? You see here the count of total users. Okay, the count of total users. So let me show you how many users we have. Select start from yeah guys, you see how many we have. We have 5, right? 1 2 3 4 sorry 1 2 3 4 5 users we have, right? The same. So I'm trying to get the count of the users, and the count, it will return into this variable. Okay, so then I am executing the select and at total users, then it will return. Okay guys, yeah, come here. Okay, so for this what we need, I will explain few steps. The step 1, that we need to add this piece of code. Okay, you can keep into your separate repository, or else you can keep directly into the service implementation also, service implementation class also, that is also fine, but not in your user repository, not in here. Okay guys, not in here, you can copy into here. Okay, yeah, this is step 1. What is persistence context? This is a Spring annotation used to inject an entity manager into a Spring manager bin. It's a part of Java persistence API, in generally, which is used to interact the databases. Okay, and what is entity manager? Entity manager is a part of JPA responsible for interacting with the database. I will show you. Come here, guys. Here we are saving the data, right? We are inserting the data, user data. Okay, go to the user repository. Okay, where is the save method? Save method is not there here. I already explained save method where it is. It is, if you go like this, right, this code repository, then it is there, save repository. You can go to the implementation. Right, now you see here internally these guys are using entity manager. Okay, so what we will do, instead of using this and all, how we came first, JPA repository, we come here, we are extend to JPA repository, and JPA repository again extends list CRUD repository, and again it extends to CRUD repository. So here's the save method is there, right? Okay, if you implement, yeah, entity manager is using, you go to the entity manager. Where is the entity manager? Entity manager is here. So in somewhere you can find the method to create a stored procedure in this one. Okay, so what we will do, we will directly call this method with the entity manager. Okay, yeah, come here, the piece of code I have written, you see here the entity manager, on top of this, right, persistence context I have written. Okay guys, this is also Spring annotation, in generally used for inject the entity manager, especially entity manager. Okay guys, yeah, now come to the step 2. Steps 2, what it will do, it will create the stored procedure. I just explained to call this method with this entity manager. This is step 2. Okay, the step 3, so what we will do, yeah, register stored procedure parameter. The stored procedure, Guys, you see here, this is the out parameter and what is the type and parameter mode. So we are specifying into here. If you come into the database, so what is this store procedure expecting? This is one out parameter, right? What is the out param? Total users. What is the data type? Integer data type. Okay. Okay, so we are giving this total user, and this is one out parameter, and this is integer class. These three, right? We are mentioning here total users and integer classes and output parameter. This is step 3, and step 4 is execute the query. 4 steps we need to follow. It's very simple. Okay, yeah, this one. Step 1 to create a store procedure, and step 2 register the out parameters and execute the query. Then you can retrieve the data. This is enough. Okay guys, now what I will do, first we will go for step 1. So let me copy this persistence context. Okay, I'm keeping into the service implementation class. Let me close all unnecessary, it will give confusion. Okay, this is service implementation class, so I'm directly adding here. Okay, now I'm writing on let me okay, let me type public integer get total users. Okay, get total users. Now I'm copying this piece of code, whatever I have explained, right? These things I am copying and pasting here. Okay, let me, this is 4 steps we are following. Actually 3 steps, but 4th one, right, for getting the data. Okay guys, this is very simple. What we are doing here, you see, the first one we are calling the method. Which method? Create store procedure method, and we are passing the store procedure. Get total user is our store procedure. Okay, you see here, get total user is the store procedure. And what are these 3 parameters? The 3 parameters also we need to mention: total user, an integer class, and parameter out. So we need to register. Okay, and then we need to execute the query. Then we will get back with the same. So whatever this is out param, right? So the same parameter we can get it. Get output parameter value. Okay, done. Okay, let me pull into the service class, then go to the user controller, and this is also the same, right? Get, what is the method name? Get total user dot total count, or what will give total users count. That is fine, right? Get count total user count. I will do total user count. Okay. I'm changing this. Okay, what is this implementation? Okay, that's not an issue. Now go here. Okay, and for this input parameter is no need. So I'm removing this, and so no need to follow the camel cases. Okay, that's it. So it will return the integer, right? Integer count, count and yeah, that's it here. That's it. Okay guys, once you call this endpoint from Postman, the hit it will come to here. Okay, where it will go? It will go to the service, and then implementation class is this one. So this is the piece of code. Okay, create store procedure, and this is the store procedure name and total user, and this one. Okay, finally you can return the count. Okay, let me start the application and call this endpoint. Okay, now application is started. let me clear this. I'm clearing the logs. Application is already started. Let me hit from postman. Now guys, you see here 5 it came, right? 5 it came, and go and see into the logs. You see it is calling this get total user, right? Yeah, I will show you the piece of code how it is. Yeah, this one. Okay, thank you, thanks guys, thanks for watching. So everything I will keep into the GitHub, so you can get this code. Thank you.